After a Missouri Supreme Court ruling late last week, the proposed initiative petition to restore abortion rights hits another hurdle. Our Missouri Chief Capitol Bureau reporter Emily Manley was in the courtroom today for yet another hearing, and she's live in Jefferson City to explain what the holdup is this time. Emily?
Earlier today, a judge here in Cole County dismissed a lawsuit that accused Secretary of State Ashcroft of writing misleading information for the ballot summary. But the case isn't over. That's because both parties agreed that the ACLU of Missouri jumped the gun when it came to filing the lawsuits about the ballot summary before they were certified.
The cases may become right. They likely will become right. But they were not then, and they were not now.
Another logjam for supporters looking to restore abortion rights in Missouri.
And considering rightness, it's important to consider that there is a constitutional right at stake. And as the Supreme Court has said many times, every delay infringes somewhat on that right.
Just days after the Missouri Supreme Court ruled against Attorney General Andrew Bailey for holding up the initiative petition process, the proposed constitutional amendments are once again before a judge.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to sustain the motion to dismiss on the issue of ripeness.
Judge John Beadham telling the ACLU of Missouri they acted too soon and to refile the lawsuits once Secretary of State Ashcroft certifies the ballot language. Back in March, 11 petitions were filed with the Secretary of State's office to roll back Missouri's ban on abortion by adding protections to the Constitution. Supporters want to ask voters to establish the right to reproductive freedom. The amendments hit a snag earlier this spring when Bailey disagreed with the state auditor's estimate on what it would cost the state if abortion once again became legal. Then a lawsuit was filed against the state for preventing supporters from gathering signatures. Last week, the state's highest court gave Bailey 24 hours to certify the fiscal note summary, and then the Secretary of State had until 5 p.m. Wednesday to certify the ballot summary.
It appears that subsequent to the Supreme Court, everybody has moved within the time requirements.
In the summary the ACLU is calling misleading, Ashcroft asked voters whether to allow for dangerous, unregulated, and unrestricted abortions from conception to live birth, without requiring a medical license or potentially being subject to medical malpractice. Now, in a statement this afternoon, Ashcroft says he applauds the court for dismissing the frivolous lawsuits before the ballot summaries could be certified. The ACLU says that they do plan to file an amended complaint tomorrow, which sends the case back to court. Reporting live tonight from Missouri State Capitol Bureau in Jefferson City, I'm Emily Manley, Fox 2 News.